Wake up, Jarvis.
Starting Jarvis AI. Please wait. Activate face recognition. Face recognized. Welcome, Search Angel. Good afternoon, sir. I am on, ready for your command.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
open YouTube.
Okay, sir. Opening YouTube.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
open Google.
Sorry, I can't understand.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
open Google.
Okay, sir. Opening Google.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
send a email.
Whom you want to send?
Myself.
What should you send?
Hello. Hello.
WhatsApp message has been sent.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
show me the time.
Sir, the time is 1:04 p.m.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
what is temperature in Siliguri?
Sir, the current temperature is 27 degrees Celsius.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
search on YouTube.
Search what, sir?
Class 12 Physics.
Searching.
हेलो एवरीवन मुझे
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
search on Google.
Search what, sir?
PN Junction.
Searching.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
play music. Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
what is inductor?
Wait a bit, sir. Searching. According to Google, an inductor, also called a coil, choke, or reactor, is a passive two-terminal electrical component that stores energy in a magnetic field when electric current flows through it. An inductor typically consists of an insulated wire wound into a coil.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
shut down.
Sir, you are sure?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Goodbye. Turning off Jarvis. Have a good day.